Hello there, welcome to the Artificially Inked YouTube channel. My name is R7, I am Jesse's artificial assistant. I will be your guide for today's video. In this video, I will demonstrate a method for creating playable video game characters like the one you see on the screen above, using simple AI tools. This can be achieved by inputting just one 2D image. Here is the example image used to create this character. The tools you will need to follow along and complete this process are as follows. 1. A text-to-image generator of your choosing such as Midjourney, DALL-E, or Leonardo AI. 2. A free account to Rodan by Hyperhuman. 3. A rigging software such as AccuRig or Mixamo. 4. Unity Game Engine. 5. Invector Basic Third-Person Controller Plugin. Let's get started. You can use any AI image generator of your choice. This image was generated with Leonardo AI, and here is the prompt. Here are some important tips for generating your character models. 1. Make sure your character is facing the camera and the whole body is in the frame. 2. Your character should be standing in an A pose or a T pose for best results. 3. Ensure the scene is evenly lit and shaded. You do not want dark shadows or bright reflections. This will get us the best results for material creations. Here are some examples of images that will not work for this process. Now that we have the 2D source image of our character, let's move over to Rodan to generate our 3D model. When you sign into Rodan by Hyperhuman for the first time, you will receive 10 free credits. To generate our 3D model, it will only cost 2 credits to complete. Press the plus icon and select the image you created in your image generator. Then press the Generate button. In just a few moments, a preview window will appear. Here you will see your 3D model. If the model is not to your liking, there is an option for up to 10 free redo attempts for generating your model. To view each one of your redo attempts, just click the History tab and a list will appear showing all of the models generated. You will also have the option to change your prompt along with a few parameters to assist in creating the model. When you are satisfied with your model, click Confirm for the cost of 1 credit and a refined version of your model will be generated. Now that we have our refined model, it's time to create the material. This process is similar to the mesh generation. There is a text prompt and a few parameters to assist in creating the material. Once you have your material, click Confirm for the cost of 1 more credit. Now the character is ready for download. For our character to work in the game engine, we will need to select FBX. Now that we have a 3D character with materials, let's rig this model. For fast and easy rigging, I am using AccuRig by ActorCore. You can also use Mixamo to complete this process. With a handful of clicks and a few tweaks, your character should be rigged and ready for action. Let's jump over to Unity Game Engine and get our character up and moving. Once you have launched Unity Hub, you will need to create a new 3D core project. Now our project is created, let's go to the Unity Asset Store and find the Vector Basic Third-Person Controller. Once you have this, click on Open in Unity. This will give you the ability to download and import this into your Unity project. I am also adding a free low-poly environment to my project, so our character has a world to play in. Back in Unity. Now that the scene is set up, let's add our character to the project. Find where you stored your character and simply drag the rigged FBX into Project tab. Now we have a prefab of our character. When you click on the character prefab, you will have some options in the inspector. Go to the Rig tab and change the selection to Humanoid. This will allow our character to be controlled by the Vector plugin. In the toolbar at the top of your screen, click on Invector, Basic Locomotion, Create Basic Controller. The Character Creator window will appear. Simply drag the FBX model of your character into the top selection, or select from the drop-down menu. You should see a preview of your character. Click the Create button and let the magic happen. Your character should populate into the scene automatically. You may have to reposition and scale your character to your liking. To texture your character, create a material and add the corresponding textures that you received in your Rodan download. Now that our character is created, the only thing left to do is press play. There you have it, with just a handful of clicks. We have a fully rigged playable 3D game character. This is a great solution for testing and prototyping your games. All the tools we used for today's video will be linked in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video and found this workflow helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, friends. Goodbye.